this is wrong. Or this cannot go on and rape has to stop.
Do you feel also unsafe in the Kolkata?
I don't live in Calcutta, but hearing it happening here it's my home city. Ar ekhane hawa I can't even think of it. So it should stop, and high time it should stop now.
What do you want to message to the protesting doctors?
Nothing to say. Everyone's protesting and everybody should get justice. That's all I want to say. সবাই একসাথে মিলেই প্রটেস্ট করছে, তো as long as we don't get justice we should protest. সবাই সেফ থাকা উচিত, and women especially, and then women deserve equality. Society everybody is equal, so everybody should get safety, and yeah, that's all.
We are protesting against rape. We are just protesting against rape. We need a safe society. We need a safe society. সব মহিলা যাতে সেফ থাকে। অফকোর্স তার জন্যই তো। আর শুধু একটা রেপ না, তুমি যদি লাস্ট 7 দিন ধরে দেখো এত রেপ হচ্ছে। সো রেপ নিডস টু